Sai Ram children, today we will continue with our lesson 6, that is division. So all second standard children, get ready with your maths book, notebook and pencil box. So you are aware, now you know what is the symbol of division. Now children, see what it is written. Division as repeated subtraction. Example, distribute 12 balls among 4 children. Okay. Now there are 12 balls and you have to distribute among 4 children. So what you will do? First, distribute 4 balls. Listen quietly, then we will do together. So first what you will do? First distribute 4 balls. That is 12 minus 4 equal to, what are you getting? We are getting, after subtracting, we are getting 8. Okay. Now, then distribute 4 balls again. So, what you have to do? 8 minus 4. Okay. Equal to 4. Finally, distribute the leftover balls. That is 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Thus, 12 balls are distributed in this way. 12 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. So, how many times 4 is coming? 3 times. Okay? Or we can say we subtracted 4 3 times from 12 to divide the balls. Thus, 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. How did you get the 3? You divided 12 by 4. So, you have to say the multiplication table of 4 to get the quotient. Say the tables. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So, 3 is the quotient. Okay. Now, let's see here. Divide by repeated subtraction. Correct the numbers in the circles wherever needed. Now, do you remember multiplication is repeated addition? Do you remember? Yes. And here divide is repeated subtraction. Okay. Now, let's see. Example, 12 divided by 3. See, this is the question. 12 divided by 3, and you all know this is the symbol of division. Now, say the tables of 3 to get the correct quotient. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So, here 4 is the quotient. Okay. Now, see what we have to do. Here, what it is written? 12 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2. We have to do the repeated subtraction. So, 12 minus 3 is correct. Yes. Again minus 3 is correct. See here, this 3 has to be repeated how many times? 4 times. Okay? So what we will do? We will cut this 2 and write 3 here. Cut this 2 and write 3 here. Now you are getting 3 4 times. Understood? We will do few more division like this, or repeated divide by repeated subtraction, then it will become easy for you. Question 1. 18 divided by 6. To get the correct quotient, what you have to do? Say the multiplication tables of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are what? 12. 6 threes are 18. So write 3 here. Page number 116. Okay. Now 18 minus 6 minus 3 is written. Now what we have to do? How many times this 6 has to be here? 3 times. So what we will do? Cross it. Write 6 here. Then again put a cross and write 6 here. Okay. Now you can see 3 times 6 is there. Finished? Okay. Do slowly. Question 2. 32 divided by 4. Now you remember the tables. So what we will write there to get the correct quotient? You have to say the tables of 4. So how many times? What you will write? 4 8s are 32. Now tell me how many times 4 should be there? 32. Now just see what it is written. 32 minus 8 minus 4 minus 8 minus 8 minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 minus 4. So we have to do the correction, no? So what we will do? What you will write here? Yes. 4 times 8 should be here. Okay, we have to do the repeated subtraction. So 8 times 4 you have to write. Okay, now write 4, cut and write 4, then again 4, 4, cross it and 4. Now just count it. It is correct or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So correct. You have written 4 8 times. All are finished. Now question 3. 16 divided by 2. So what we will write there? What will be the correct quotient? Say the tables of 2. What I will write? 8. 2 8s are 16. Now 2 has to be here in the next line, while in repeated subtraction 8 times. So what we will do? Cut and write 2, cross it, 2, cross it, 2. Now we can count 8 times 2 is there or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Finished? Question 4. 25 divided by 5. So, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 times 5, here it should be while doing the repeated subtraction. You can see it is written here 25 minus 5 minus 5 minus 3 minus 5 minus 3. So cross it and write 5. Again cross this and write 5. Finished? Understood, children? Now, look at the example and divide by repeated subtraction on a number line. Earlier in your addition lesson, subtraction, you have done number line. So, in division also, we will be doing number line. Divide by repeated subtraction. Now, listen. Distribute 21 pencils to a group of 7 friends. 21 pencils are there and you have to distribute to a group of 7 friends. Now see the number line. It is starting from 0 to 21. Now for repeated subtraction, what we have to do? We have to go back steps, backward. Okay. Now we will start. Now start from 21. You can see here 21. Go back 7 steps. Now first simply count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So you reached here. Now you can draw this line. Okay. Now what we will do? Again from 14, you have to go back 7 steps. Now slowly, just do with your pencil, you will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now where we have reached? Number 7. Now again draw this line. Done? Now again from this 7, go back 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now again draw this line. Now you have to see how many times you have jumped to reach 0. 1, 2, 3. Start from 21. Go back 7 steps 3 times to 3 times to reach 0. Thus, for division, what we write like this, 21 divided by 7. You have to say the tables of 7 to get the correct quotient. Okay. So, 7 3s are 21. Here you can see 3 is written. Okay. Now let's do together. Distribute 8 bananas equally among 6 family members. Now from where we will start? From 18 we will start. And how many steps we will go back? From 18 we will start, 6 steps. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from 18 you draw this line. You have reached till 12. Okay. Now again start backward counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly draw this line. we have reached 6. Now from 6 again back step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have reached 0. Now let's write how many times we have jumped. 1, 2, 3. Yes? So what we will write here in the box? Start from 18, go back 6 steps. How many times? 3 times to reach 0. Okay? And you know 6 multiplied by 3 or 6 threes are 18. Yes? Now next line. Thus, what we will write here? Which number? 18 divided by 6 equal to, see the tables of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So, 3 is the quotient. Understood? Finish it, okay? I am waiting for you. Done? Now, look at this number line. It is starting from 0 to 12. Question is, distribute 12 balls among 3 players. Now, tell what we have to do. From where we will start? We will start from 12. Okay? How many steps we will go back? We will go back 3 steps. So count from here. 1, 2, 3. Now from 12, 3 steps back. Where we have reached? We have reached on number 9. Now again 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. Again jump. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We have reached 3 and 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. Now we have reached 0. Now count how many times you have jumped. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we will write? Start from 12, go back 3 steps 4 times to reach 0. Thus, 12 divided by 3. Say the tables of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Okay? Now complete it. Finished? Okay. Now what we will do? Divide by repeated subtraction. First see how I am doing, then we will do in the notebook. Okay? Now what it is written? 15 divided by 5. So you can write quickly. Say the tables of 5 and you will get the quotient. Yes? So 5 threes are 15. Okay? Done. Now what we will do for repeated subtraction? First we will write this 15. Don't put the division sign. We have to put a subtraction minus sign because we have to do the repeated subtraction. So we will write 15 minus 5. Now do the subtraction. What you will get? We are getting 10. Got it? Now next step is this 10. Again you write here. 10 minus 5. What did you get? 5. Okay? Now again this 5, what we will do? 5 minus 5 equal to 0. See the steps. First we will do this 15 minus 5. We are getting 10. Okay. Now next step. This 10 minus 5. We are getting this 5. Now 5 minus 5. We are getting 0. Okay. Now take out your notebook and do it. Write classwork. Divide by repeated subtraction. Question A. 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. First step is 15 minus 5. You are getting 10. Okay. Put the sign of equal to. Okay. Then 10 minus 5. 5. And 5 minus 5. We are getting 0. Finished? Now next one, B. 32 divided by 8. You have to say the tables. Say the tables of 8. What we will write here? We will write here 4. We will write 4 here. Okay. Four. Then what we have to do? The next step, you have to write 32 minus 8. Okay. Tell, after subtracting, what you are getting? We will get 24. Then 24 minus 8. Yes, do the subtraction. We are getting 16. Then 16 minus 8. 8. And 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Okay. So when we divided this 32 divided by 8, we are getting 4. You have to say the tables. You know 8 fours are 32. Then you have to write the steps. 32 minus 8, 24. Then 24 minus 8, 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. And 8 minus 8 is 0. Now you can see here 8 is coming how many times? 4 times. Okay. Now do in your notebook. Write properly. 32 divided by 8. say the tables of 8. You will get 8 fours are 32. So write 4. 4 is the quotient. Then 32 minus 8. 24. 24 minus 8 equal to 16. 16 minus 8 equal to 8. And 8 minus 8 is 0. Finished? Now question C. 24 divided by 6. Now what you have to do? Say the tables of 6. How much did you get? How many times? 6 fours are 24. So after multiplying 6 fours are, we are getting 24. And here 24 divided by 6. 4 is the quotient. Okay. Now tell me what we will write. We will write 24 minus 6. Now do the subtraction. What did you get after subtracting which number? 18. Now we will write 18 minus 6. 12. Now 12 minus 6. 6. Then 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Now just see, 4 times you are getting 6 or not? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are getting 6 4 times. Okay? Write down 24 divided by 6 equal to 4. 24 minus 6. After subtracting, we got 18. 18 minus 6 equal to 12. 12 minus 6 equal to 6. And 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So here we can see how we have done the repeated subtraction. Okay, divide by repeated subtraction. Finished all of you? Question D. 54 divided by 9. See the tables of 9. What I will write here? Tell me. 9. How much? 9 fives are? 9 fives are? No, 9 fives are 45. So, 9 6 are 50. 9 6 are 54. Okay. Now, what is the next step? What I will write? Tell me. 54 minus 9. So, subtract. Do the rough work. Tell me what I should write here after subtracting. 45. Now, next step. 45 minus 9. 36. Do the subtraction properly. Do the rough work. Don't be in hurry. Do slowly. Now 36 minus 9. 27. 27 minus 9. 18. 18 minus 9. 9. And then 9 minus 9. 0. That means nothing is left out. You have distributed. Now let's look here. How many times 9 should be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 times 9 should be here. Okay, to do the repeated subtraction. So, we have learned today divide by repeated subtraction. Now have a look. Finish it in your notebook. Do slowly. Okay. 54 divided by 9 equal to 6. Then do the subtraction. Finished, children? All have finished? Now, homework. Divide by repeated subtraction. First question, 21 divided by 3 equal to, so write the quotient and then go on. What? Then do the subtraction, repeated subtraction. First step, what you will write? 21 minus 3. After that, you will continue. And question 2, 16 divided by 2. Say the tables of 2. Write the correct quotient and do the repeated subtraction. Okay, children? Thank you.